We have created a form in topic A. Now we're going to modify the design of our form. In this, we've got a form in its original form view. We can go in and look at the form in the design view. This is the view that will allow you to actually design and redesign the form itself. Now, if you look at what we have in here, we've got, for example, this text box that display the form name. This is the customer ID, and we've got the customer name here in the form. So if we, for example, want to change the fonts in this form, we can go in and change the fonts and how the font look like. We can go in and change the colors if we want to change the colors in the form and how the form would look like. So we can basically do everything that one would do in any program. So we can also change how the input will look like. This is where the customer name will appear. We can go and change this by adding different font colors, different font types, to say what will display in there would be in a different font color, in a different font format. Now for us to go back and see the changes that we have done, we will go back to the form in its original form view. You will find that whatever you were changing in the form design will actually display here. So now if you're looking at the form controls in your design view, you will see that this text boxes are your major controls. This is what you will be controlling. If you want to make the text boxes bigger, you can actually drag them and make them bigger. If you want the text entry to be bigger as well, you're welcome to actually go in and play around with that and change the font colors and the font shape of your text control. Now we can also go in here and change the display name of the form and say what is it that we want to be displayed at the top, which is your form header. Let's quickly go in and change there and say this is our customer form. So we just edited the form header, and when you go in and display your form in the form view, you will see that the header of your form has changed. It changed to customer form, but it doesn't change the name of the form itself. You will see that the form itself, it's still customer, it's still form customers. So we have just gone in and changed the layout of our